Hey YouTube, what's good guys? I have I'm stabbed myself in the face. My SingleSwag. I literally came today and there you go. Alright. And I'm wearing my jacket because I'm about to go get some Chinese food because I'm starving. But I decided to just open this for you guys quickly. So first things first. This is on the top, the little brochure, pamphlet thing, paper that tells you everything that's in the box for this month. And there's 6 items in here. Oh no, I lied, 7. And the total retail value is $202. Woo! Okay. Should have threw that, but whatever. So it's nice little paper. I'm gonna just start randomly pulling shit out. So first thing is this Vivid Glow palette by Molly Jacob. And this is $36. And it says it's an eyeshadow palette. Let's open it and see. Ooh. So it looks like this. It's like browns. Oh, it opens. Try to swatch it a little bit. Oh, making a freaking mess. Can't even see that. I don't even know why I did that. But it's cute little colors. The pigment is pretty good. And it comes with this little wand applicator. Cute. Oh, shit. I would not pay $36 for that though. Just saying. Alright. And the next thing in my box is Elizabeth Stone. It's like a box. It sounds like jewelry. Crescent moon necklace, $78. Ooh. Laid back glam. Dreamy bohemian jewelry designed in LA. And it looks like this. Oh, I shouldn't even have taken it out of the box. I'm an idiot. Right. Look at me making a mess. Well, it looks like this. You know what a crescent moon looks like. It's like a gold. Very cute. I like that. Okay, the next thing is cute. It's like, it reminds me of the other box. It's this big emoji heart eyes cookie, which retails for $4. This is so cute. Woo. Next is this reparative cuticle oil. Okay, so nail thing. $22. So this is pure plant flower oils to quickly hydrate your dry cuticles. That's nice. It's natural. Oh crap! Yo, I like squeezed the shit out of that. Oh, it smells really good. Ooh, I like things that smell good. Moisturizing body oil, cedarwood, grapefruit. I need to smell this because that sounds interesting. It smells pretty good. Oh, that's a really after smell of the cedarwood. I could smell that. Great, now I have oil all over me. Why would I do that? Ugh. It's nice. I just didn't want it on me right now. Okay, the next thing in here is hair ties. Oh, and the body oil is $32, and this is $14. It's cute, these little hair tie bracelets. Look, it has little avocados and watermelons and cute things. That's cute. And the last thing in here is this book, which I'm excited because I like to read. New York Times bestseller, Lauren Graham, Talking as Fast as I Can. Ooh. So I can't wait to read that. I like to read. And this is $16. So yeah, that's everything in this month's box. Excuse me. I I like this box. I think I like the first box I received better, but this box I like because of the book, the jewelry, maybe the oil. They're my favorite things out of everything in here, but I still really like this box because of the value it gives you and so many items. And it comes so quickly, like 3 days into the month. That's awesome. I'm going to leave the link down below if you want to subscribe to SingleSwag. If you single and you want to treat yourself. Or if you just want to treat yourself anyway. I won't tell. Nah, but like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about anything in this box. If you receive the box, let me know what your favorite item is and what other videos you would like to see. Bye guys.